All right, here we come to the elevators at Mays Business Building at Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas. Look at that call station. And I also like the green lights on the door sensor right there. Floor. Look in the door. Hi. One. The door's rough. Look in the mirror. Hi. Look in the ceiling. Hello. This is your basic elevator. You're going up?
Yeah.
You can come in.
Okay.
Your floor?
4.
Perfect. You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Here's your phone. All right, down the one end there. According to YouTube user Anthony020501, I was recently told that Dover Traflomatics 3 and 4 are also known as SPF systems for Dover Traflomatic. Anyways, there they go, and that's it.